India has the richest billionaires in the world, but we are still a tech colony. We celebrate their wealth, but we ignore their intellectual poverty. Why does a country that can reach Mars still import its own fighter jet engines? Adani and Ambani control our ports, our data, and our light bulbs. But they have failed to build the one thing that makes a nation a superpower: original science. Look at the numbers, it is a wake up call. Global giants like Samsung or Huawei spend 10 to 20% of their revenue on research and development. Reliance, 0.4%. Adani, less than 0.5%. While Huawei files 8,000 patents a year, the Adani Group files 20. 20! We call them tech kings, but they are actually infrastructure landlords. They own the land and the pipes, but they do not own the brains that run them. Think about our defense. We see Indian drones and missiles on television, but look closer. The engines and the sensors, they are licensed from Israel, France, or America. We are not inventing, we are just assembling someone else's genius. Even in healthcare, it is the same story. We have world-class hospitals owned by billionaires, but 80% of the high-end medical tech, the MRIs and the robotic surgeons, is imported. We can build the building, but we cannot build the machine inside it. Why? Because research is expensive and slow, and our giants prefer fast and guaranteed. The real tragedy is not the money, it is our people. 80% of India's top AI and material science researchers from IITs and IIScs work for foreign firms. They leave because our billionaires do not offer them research roles. They hire them as managers to run warehouses. We are literally exporting our greatest minds because our own companies do not have a lab for them to sit in. Elon Musk built SpaceX to stop relying on Russia. Samsung made South Korea a global name. But in India, we are still waiting for a deep tech breakthrough that is not just a licensed copy. Are they building India's future or just their own empires? If you are tired of India being an assembly line for the world, type innovate in the comments. It is time to stop being a tech colony